Yorsema, Jenny, Mohammed Jackson, come fair na hatch. Hook me gasta for a year, the beer shot the Hollywood. Then Hoshi Curie got us round the dinner off and hand. Hook me done a pale, who's a point to do me wish a push and Hoshi Curie grab a dance the digging in a can.
Hello? How warm ma hang you? Ha mi gupir an sa vu an you. A vilu tolvaun? Gleva. Trot.
Hallo. Kimmer a hashiv. Ha wa mahaun. Ha meirat an sa vu. Ha mi tolvaun. Ha mi gyuri brikish. Trot.
Trot. Come on. Trot. Trot and show. Come here. Here's how it works.
Sparka. Sparka. Trot. Trot. Trot and show. Trot and show. Gleva.
Trot and show. Come here. Can show. Trot and show. Trot and show. Come here. And show means here, so and shin must mean there. And show here and shin there. Fisker ma a traine. Kimmer a hausje?
Hag ma, tachbelib. Ha fisker man.
Fisker, afternoon. Ha fisker ma aun. It's a fine afternoon.
Ha fisker man.
Ha, good giraffe. Je has je vikiri.
A vil fjol oerakab.
Fjol oer. Wel je vikiri fjol oer.
Ha. Katjevili.
Shinny.
A vil banje akav.
Ha banje and shin.
Tachbelib. Ha mi giri salin.
Gleva. Salin. Shinne. Shagahim. Ik is they. Ha fisker ma.
Ha kutjerav. A chai chehu mui.
Heen. Trot and show.
Chehu gatriene. Chehu gyuri.
Coffee. An talat coffee.
Stel.
And talat coffee. Do you like coffee? Stalum coffee. I like coffee. And talat. Do you like? CanSeo. And talat coffee. And talat coffee. Now, let's try I like coffee. Stalum coffee. CanSeo. Stalum coffee. Stalum coffee. And talat coffee.
Stel. Stelum coffee. And halat coffee.
Chatal. Chatalum coffee.
Chatalum coffee. I don't like coffee. CanSeo. Chatalum coffee. And talat means do you like? And talat. The lat here is the same word as in tahbalat and lat. Lat is a combination of le and u and means with you. Then in chatalum, I don't like. Chatalum, the lum is a combination of le and me and means with me. Chatalum, I don't like. Normally, when replying to a question, you would use a shortened version. You'd say, stul, I like, or chatal, I don't like. Je has je vikiri.
Well,
Has je een giri brikish.
A bhfuil sibh géirí brickish.
Ha sin a géirí brickish.
Sin, the plural, we. Ha sin géirí, we want. CanSeo. Ha sin géirí. A bhfuil sibh géirí brickish.
Ha sin je géirí brickish. Brickish gú.
Gleva, brickish gu.
Sin iad. Sin iad. There they are. Iad means they. Sin iad. CanSeo. Sin iad. There they are.
Ahim, trot an seo.
Jehan sin.
Cóta,
Cóta?
han cóta bria.
Ha, ach a cóta agad.
Ha isacam, a cha mi géirí cóta úd.
Cóta úr?
A bhfuil sibh géirí cóta úr.
Haniel.
Ha mi géirí cóta úd.
Cóta úr. A new coat. CanSeo. Cóta úr.
Hulle me.
Ha bria. Ha uavasach bria.
Sin seachgait bhia.
Chan je lu géirí seachgat úd. Trot.
Tapelef.
Tachbelach te hien. Trot.
Ach a chatriana.
Shag.
A brickish. Ha mi géirí brickish gú.
Sin iad.
Jay.
Brickish gú.
Ha mi ski. Ha mi géirí cúpa tí. A bheit si bh géirí cúpa tí.
Ha tapelef.
A brickish. A brickish gú.
Ha sin e fallaf. Trot.
Cat je bhfuil sin je dal?
Ha sin na dógachi.
Ha sin géirí tí.
Cleva. A sin je dal gachi.
Ha sin adol gachi. We are going home. CanSeo. Ha sin adol gachi. A bhfuil an cóta blá.
Ha han cóta blá. Ha e uavasach blá.
A bhfuilú blá.
Ha mi uavasach blá.
Uavasach blá. Very warm. Uavasach. Very or terribly. Uavasach blá. CanSeo. Uavasach blá. Ha uavasach blá. It is very warm. Although we've covered some new ground, this programme is mainly a revision programme. A hím
Sure.
an taileach an cóta úr.
Stel.
E bhfuil géirí coffi.
Chanil, cha tullum coffee. A bhfuil tí agad.
A hien.
Sure.
Ha mai dat a géirí cúpa tí. A bhfuil tí agad an sin.
Ha tea and shaw. Shin cúpa tea.
Tahbal a bheith hím. A bhfuilú ski.
Ha mi ski.
A cha tríana. Cáte bhfuil a banne.
A hien, cat bhfuil an baine.
An shin.
A hím. Dé how Gianaf.
Je ha mi Gianif. Ha mi gal mo vir.
Ha mi gal mo vir. CanSeo. Ha mi gal mo vir. Ha mi gal mo vir. Gal is having or taking in the sense of having tea or having dinner. Ha mi gal mo vir. Try it again. Ha mi gal mo vir. Mo means my. You'll notice that the word vir is aspirated after mo. Mo vir, my food. Do vir, your food. Ha mi dúlich. How gal do vir.
Ha mi gal mo vir.
A vairad. Sure. A vil du geri fjol oer?
Ha, stelum fjol oer.
Hím.
Sjug, je hou gyri.
Has je een geri fjol oer? Je houdt je aan hem.
Chanel Carl.
A vil u gopit?
Chanel. Chanel mi kopper itcher. Trood spaker.
Hím. Trout een show. Kaatje wil u toch?
Hashin of halaf.
Kaatje wil je toch?
Ha keli aan se waar nog aus hashin het alaun.
Oh.
Fisker maluif.
Fisker malach de heen.
Hím. Had de wiegen show.
Ha isakum. Ach hashin of halaf. Fisker malach de gatriene.
Fisker ma.
Fisker ma. Fisker ma lacht. Good afternoon to you. And that other expression, ha mi gal mo vir, I'm taking my food. In Gaelic, this can mean your lunch, your tea, or your dinner. Colloquially, it would correspond to the English, I'm eating my meal. Though there's a special word in Gaelic for eating. Gal covers all the situations. Ha mi gal mo vir. Today's language section comes from a croft on South Uist.
Hallo.
O, trout y stwy. A pisgar maham.
Ha, gyda hei bla.
A coffi ac am yn siaw. Yn tylet coffi.
Stel.
Ylw gyr y cwpa.
Ha, tablef.
Ylw gwant banias y coffi.
Chanel, ha mi gyda coffi dw.
Siwch gyr.
Ha, tablef.
O, dje hau gyri.
Spain.
O, ha mi dwrig. Siet ag at spa.
Tablef.
100 years ago, most crofters supplemented their diet by fishing, and many still fish the inshore waters for lobsters and whitefish. The waters around the islands are one of the last areas in Europe which are still rich in marine life, and there are communities like this on Eriskay, where fishing is a full-time job.
Eriskay on a typical weekday, an island where children can safely play without fear of traffic, where the wind dries faster than any spin dryer can, at least on a fine day. But it demands a lot of its womenfolk, for island living imposes its own pattern on family life. The men are away from home for most of the week.
Det går med on ystä, man.
Aina näin. Ja, on.
Onko tuosta ruoalla?
The sea and the fish it provides are essential to Eriskay's livelihood. The 250-strong community couldn't survive without them. 3/4 of the island's wage earners, 30 of the 39 working men, are fishermen. For Eriskay, the sea means survival.
Als je raad steunen, is het niks tegen worden. Je raad te steunen. Daar is het je moet je dus naar jet over.
If the fishing were to fail, men like Michael McKinnon and his brothers would have to seek a living elsewhere, perhaps as merchant seamen, or by moving their families to the mainland in search of work. In either case, the community would suffer. Here, the living may be hard, but at least they remain part of their Gaelic background and take their language to sea with them. Life has never been easy. Eriskay is beautiful, but small and hardly fertile. The islanders' ancestors were dumped there from the greener pastures of South Uist, Barra and Skye during the clearance days of the 19th century. They were the original crofter fishermen, men who scraped little more than a subsistence livelihood for their families from tiny plots of land and what they could glean from the sea and the shore. Gradually, the sea took over. Nowadays, the crofts are important as family bases rather than agricultural units. Only 40 of them are still worked, and the only crop is potatoes. The Eriskay men are now professional fishermen, and with modern boats like these, costing something like £100,000, professional is what they have to be. Eriskay has 5 such boats and a number of smaller lobster boats, and the value of the catch is shared among crew members. In 1976, before the Hebridean fisheries hit the present slump, the Eriskay men caught their share of the £2.5 million worth of fish landed in the Western Isles. A considerable contribution to the nation's larder from a small island community.
Last week's serial ended with Alistair spilling a pint of beer over his new trousers and Dahl discovering a new tourist line, tartan bags.
Goel, G how Gianif?
J?
G han shinakat?
Throw the show, Ellie. Show.
Well.
Teletet.
Stel hat bria goel. Steljem shin. Du agus Jerek agus Gath. Agus sin in Black Watch, agus Royal Stewart, agus Campbell of Argyll. Has sin bria.
Ha, J ha sho.
Chanili sacum.
Fel si fi gyri coffi?
How tapelat Anna?
Y goel.
Oh,
Fel yw gyri coffi?
coffee. Ha, gleva tablet. Anna, throw the show.
J?
Hat ma. Steljem at the goel.
Throw it, Anna.
Am eisiau gen of coffi.
Ga mi dulli.
Eli, wil u geri banje agus sugar aan zijn koffie?
Chanel, ha mi geri koffie toe, als chanel mi geri sugarricher.
Hangover?
Och, wist.
Han koffie akkev een woord.
Glefant taplet. Jet de weg, Ganna.
Ga tell hem sho ieder. Ha mi dullig gooi en ga tell hem ideriat.
Wel, gaan jullie zakken.
Hij is akemse. Gaan je laat ma ieder. Ganjel.
Och, wist, Janna. Het bria.
Ha, jet ma.
Hashin ma. Ach, ha mis ik geri tastan.
Wil je een kopper, Joëlie?
Ha, hij moet je water.
Hallo, Show Kraftcenter. Jay? Jan? Fisker en Joe moet je water. Welke ma? Ko? Ha, Eli show. Eli, trote show. Het ding je de phone.
Kom, aan.
Gaan jullie zakken? Show.
Hallo, Eli en Shaw.
Sushi is Eli.
Ja, er water. Kan je willen? En zijn hospital. Tapelev.
Je hou Eli.
Ja. Hij aan zijn hospital.
Oh.
Show Eli. Als je niet al graag.
Tro het graag niet.
Als je een keer een dochter mag Claude en een room 3, een dochter mag Claude en een dochter Cameron, room 3, tapelen. Oei. Ja, en moet je aan zijn vader doen. Ik zal nog aan zijn hospital.
Ach, hij aan zijn hospital. Ergens hashin, ma?
Hou, Anna.
Wil ik jullie kuppen thee?
Tea. Gaan jullie zeggen?
Och, is het thee, ma?
Oh, ja.
Is jullie zo alles er?
Ah, hallo. Wel, ha blast hij zo.
Hij fisker maan, Alistair.
Kom maar aan, Jan, jullie.
Gaan jullie zeggen?
Ha, mi tullig. Hij aan zijn hospital.
Ja. Hij aan zijn hospital nog.
Ah, wel, aan hospital is ook leven. Kost hij?
Ha, Anna. Hij aan zijn kitchen, a gen of tea.
Oh.
Nien va, Alistair. Nien va. Agus hij bria.
Fisker maar, Anne.
Hallo, Alistair. Wil ik jullie kuppen thee?
Ha, tapelet.
Hello, Kimera Hashiv. Program 5 was called Ir Avata, on the boat. Notice the aspiration of the noun bata. With the preposition ir, it becomes Ir Avata, on the boat. Programme 5 was largely a revision programme, at least as far as the grammar was concerned, but we did introduce stalum, which means I like. An talat, do you like? And cha talum, I don't like. Let's take another look at them. Stalum, coffee. Cha talum, coffee. I don't like coffee. CanSeo cha talum, coffee. And of course, there's the shorter version you use in a reply to a question. Stal, I like. Or cha tal, I don't like. Cha talum in the shortened form becomes cha tal. CanSeo cha tal. Stalum in the shortened form becomes stal. CanSeo stal. So the question could be, an talat coffee? And your answer would be stal, or if you didn't like it, it would be cha tal. Then we had mo, meaning my, and do, meaning your in this programme. That's two more words which cause aspiration, mo and do. Take the word bíag, food. Mo bíag is my food. Bú changes to vú, and similarly bíag, do bíag, your food. Ha mi a gal mo bíag, I am having my food or my dinner. In this case, that expression can cover any of the main meals. Ha mi a gal mo bíag, I am having my dinner, my lunch, my tea. Try it again. Ha mi gal mo bíag. CanSeo. Ha mi gal mo bíag. Ha mi gal mo bíag. We've had two ways of saying my and yours so far in the series. An car acam means my car. Mo bíag means my food, but there's a limited number of places in which mo and do are the preferred forms of my and your. A gal mo bíag is one of them. You'll be coming across one or two others later on. Normally, you can use either mo, do for my and yours, or the acam construction as in an car acam, my car. But in modern Gaelic, there's a preference for the acam, acav construction. In this programme, we've concentrated on building up your vocabulary. We've added tea to coffee, and the word tea differs from coffee in two ways. First, it's feminine, which means that if I want to say it is hot, referring to the tea is hot, it is hot, then it's I you use, not e. Ha I che, it is hot. Secondly, the first letter of T doesn't aspirate after a preposition. If we take the word coffee, coffee becomes a choffee with aspiration, but T remains the same. It's ounce and tea without aspiration. Banya, ounce and tea. Siúchar, ounce and tea. To the two words shin, that, and shin, there, we've now added the words seo, meaning this, and anseo, meaning here. Seo, of course, can stand as a pronoun on its own. Ha, seo, ma. This is good. Ha, seo, ma. Or it can be used as an adjective. An car seo, meaning this car. An car seo. An seo means here.
Če has je verkeeri?
Wel, has je een keer die prikjes?
A welche verkeeri prikjes?
Has je een keer die prikjes?
Ha sin geri, we want. CanSeo. Ha sin geori. A fel geori brickish.
Ha sin je geori brickish. Brickish goed.
Gleva, brickish gu.
Shin iat. Shin iat. There they are. Iat means they. Shin iat. CanSeo. Shin iat. There they are. We introduce the word very or terribly, which is uavasach. It's more forceful than gle. Gleva. Quite good to very good. Uavasach ma. Extremely good. It even sounds more forceful. Uavasach ma. Hai gleva. Oh, hai uavasach ma. Then we had atol gachi, going home. Gachi meaning home. We used it in conjunction with sheen, we. So let's have a look at it. Ha sheen atol gachi.
Ha mi ski. Ha mi geri cwp o tea. Vet je wat geri cwp o tea?
Ha tapelef.
A brickish. A brickish goed.
Ha sin e fawaf. Trwyd.
Gaat je wel sin je tal?
Ha sin e dol gachi.
Ha sin geori tea.
Kleva. Ha sin je tal gachi.
Ha sheen atol gachi. We are going home. CanSeo. Ha sheen atol gachi. Gleva. A vel shiv a goper CanSeo. Gleva. Ha mi fawaf. Vesker ma.